In a world where cyber threats evolve faster than we can respond, the call for defenders has never been more urgent. Hackers are relentless, exploiting vulnerabilities and wreaking havoc on systems that we rely on every day. This is where the blue team steps in, our digital warriors, standing guard against the chaos. To join this fight, you need more than just passion. You need a roadmap. Start with the basics, understand networking, familiarize yourself with operating systems, and dive deep into cybersecurity fundamentals. Knowledge is your first line of defense. Certifications are your armor. CompTIA Security Plus, Certified Ethical Hacker, and CISSP. These are not just letters, they represent your commitment to mastering the battlefield. Each certification you earn is a badge of honor, proving your skills and readiness to tackle real-world threats. But knowledge and certifications are just the beginning. You must practice relentlessly, set up your own lab, simulate attacks, and defend against them. Engage with communities, participate in capture the flag competitions, and learn from the best. This is where theory meets reality, and you become a true defender. As you hone your skills, the stakes rise. Deploying in the field means facing adversaries who are always one step ahead. You'll need to think like a hacker to outsmart them. Develop your incident response strategies and learn to analyze breaches. This is where you transform from a novice to a seasoned warrior. And let's talk about the rewards. The demand for skilled blue team professionals is skyrocketing. With the right skills and certifications, you can command impressive salaries, often exceeding six figures. Your expertise will not only secure networks, but also secure your future. So, are you ready to take up the mantle? The digital realm needs defenders like you. Embrace the challenge, sharpen your skills, and step into the arena. The fight against cyber threats is on, and it's time for you to rise.